Welcome to this guided meditation for financial abundance. Today, we embark on a journey to align our energies with the flow of wealth and prosperity. Today, we use the gentle power of Reiki and positive affirmations. These tools help us to connect deeply with our inner selves and the abundant universe around us. We aim to release any blocks to wealth and welcome prosperity into our lives. Imagine the flowing river washing away all your financial worries and fears. Financial abundance is our birthright. Just as flowers bloom effortlessly, so too can we attract wealth and success naturally. Sometimes we hold ourselves back with limiting beliefs. These beliefs can be like heavy clouds blocking the sunlight of abundance. This meditation helps us let go of those beliefs. Picture the leaves falling gently, symbolizing the release of old, limiting thoughts. We will open ourselves to the infinite possibilities the universe offers. The stars above remind us of the limitless opportunities available to us. Remember, this is your personal journey. Each step you take brings you closer to financial freedom and abundance. Open your heart and mind to the transformative power of Reiki and affirmations. Feel the warmth and peace as you embrace this powerful energy. Let's begin our journey towards financial freedom and abundance. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more aligned with the wealth and prosperity that is your birthright. Find a comfortable seated position. Close your eyes gently. Take a deep breath in. Feel the air fill your lungs. Exhale slowly and release any tension. Bring your awareness to your body. Relax your shoulders. Let go of any tightness in your neck and jaw. Feel your spine lengthening and your chest opening. Take another deep breath. As you exhale, feel a wave of relaxation wash over you. You are safe, supported, and ready to begin this journey towards financial abundance. Imagine a warm golden light above your head. This is the healing energy of Reiki. Visualize this light flowing down through the top of your head. Feel it fill your entire body. As the Reiki energy flows through you, it gently dissolves any blocks to financial abundance. These blocks may be fears, doubts, or limiting beliefs. Let them go with each exhale. Feel the Reiki energy cleansing and purifying your energy field. You are now open and receptive to receiving financial abundance in all its forms. Section 4. Affirmations for Abundance, Inviting Prosperity In. This section is designed to help you align your thoughts and energy with the frequency of abundance and prosperity. Now repeat these affirmations to yourself, either silently or aloud. Let each word resonate deeply within you, creating a powerful vibration of abundance. Believe in the truth of each word. I am open and receptive to financial abundance. Feel the openness in your heart and mind as you say this. Money flows into my life easily and effortlessly. Visualize the flow of money coming to you from all directions, filling your life with prosperity. I am worthy of wealth and prosperity. Embrace the feeling of worthiness and know that you deserve all the good things life has to offer. I am a money magnet, attracting abundance now. Imagine yourself as a powerful magnet, drawing in wealth and opportunities effortlessly. I am grateful for all the financial blessings in my life. Reflect on the abundance you already have and express your gratitude for it. I trust in the universe to provide for all my needs. Feel the trust and faith in the universe's ability to support you in every way. Repeat these affirmations with conviction and feel their power resonating within you. Allow the energy of these words to transform your mindset and attract prosperity into your life. Section 5. Visualizing your financial goals. Manifesting your dreams. Take a moment to visualize your financial goals. See yourself living abundantly. Imagine having financial freedom. Feel the joy and gratitude as if your desires have already manifested. What does financial abundance look and feel like to you? Visualize yourself easily paying your bills, making generous contributions, and enjoying the fruits of your labor. Hold this image in your mind's eye with unwavering faith and excitement. Section 6. Expressing gratitude. cultivating an abundance mindset. Now bring your awareness to your heart center. Feel gratitude for all the blessings in your life. Be thankful for your health, relationships, and the abundance that already surrounds you. Gratitude is a powerful magnet for more blessings. The more you appreciate what you have, the more you attract abundance in all areas of your life. Continue to cultivate this attitude of gratitude in your daily life. Notice and appreciate the abundance that surrounds you, no matter how small. Section 7. Conclusion. Stepping into your financial power. This is the final step in your journey towards financial empowerment and abundance. You have now completed this Reiki-guided meditation for financial abundance. Feel the energy you have cultivated, the peace that now resides within you. Carry the peace and clarity you have cultivated within you as you move forward. Let this newfound serenity guide your decisions and actions. Remember, you are a powerful creator of your reality. Every thought, every action, and every intention shapes your financial destiny. Embrace your worthiness to receive abundance. Know that you deserve all the prosperity that comes your way. Trust in the process, and know that the universe is conspiring to support your financial well-being. Feel the support of the universe in every step you take. Go forth with an open heart, a clear mind, and the unwavering belief in your ability to manifest financial abundance. And so it is. Your journey has just begun, and the possibilities are endless.